First one of the day, baby. A lot of blow-ups. A lot of blow-ups on that top water. Just one hit it. Thick boy. Nice. Monster red boy. Boys don't want to hit top. There goes my limit. Yeah, big boy. Boom. Monster. Yeah, fat belly. That boy was grubbing. There's my limit. Let's see. Limit before 10:42 in the morning. 4th slot red today. 5th red. Let's go, baby. They're all big bags. Look at that. Let's go. Let's put them back. We already got our limit, baby. That boy. Got him swimming over there. 5th slot red. Can't beat it. Big bags, boy. Big bags. Sight casted this big bag boy. Look how clear that water is. Sight casted him right here. Beautiful, beautiful day. This is my 6th keeper for the day. 7 reds caught today. This bad boy. Let's go. It's not red number 7. Right at 20.5. Pinch tail, 21. Easy limits, baby. Oh, fat boys too. A good limit. Had to break the new reel in. 8 reds before 12 o'clock. Let's go.